Hello students, welcome to the English grammar lessons. In this video, we will master sentences in 3 minutes. So, let's begin. English is a beautiful language spoken through sounds which we write down as letters. A meaningful group of these letters creates a word. Which we write down as letters. A meaningful group of these letters creates a word. But what happens when we group those words together? If they are arranged properly to make complete sense, we get a sentence. A sentence is simply a group of words that makes complete sense. It can be a statement like he goes to school, an action like jump, a question like do you eat, or even a sudden feeling like Allah's, she is dead. Today, we are going to look at the 5 main types of sentences. Number 1, the assertive or declarative sentence. This type of sentence simply accepts or rejects a statement. It gives us information. We can divide this into 2 categories, affirmative and negative. An affirmative sentence is a positive statement. Like Interrogative is the author of the statement. Like Interrogative is the author of this book, or success depends on hard work. A negative sentence rejects a statement using words like no, not, never, seldom, or hardly. For example, I have no pen, or you never tell a lie. Let's take more examples. First, affirmative sentences, he plays football. Second, negative sentences, I have no pain. Unless you work hard, you cannot succeed. Number 2, the interrogative sentence. These are the question askers. They always end with a question mark. They usually start a question mark. They usually start in one of 2 ways, with a helping verb for a yes-no question or with double-BG words. A yes-no question begins with a helping verb like, are you ready for work? Or does Anurag write grammar books? A double-BU question uses words like who, what, where, or why. For example, where will you spend your weekend? Or how long does the COVID virus last? Number 3, the imperative sentence. We use these express orders, advice, commands, or requests. A neat trick here is that the subject you is usually hidden or understood. If I say go there, I mean you go there. These can be affirmative, like take medicine in time. They can be negative, like don't walk in the sun. They can be strict orders. They typically follow a specific starting with may and not insult the elders, or polite requests like please help me. Number 4 is the optative sentence. This type is used to express a wish, a curse, a blessing, but the meaning remains, like in the phrase God save the king or long live our friendship. Finally, number 5, the exclamatory sentence. These express sudden, strong feelings. They generally start with what or how and always carry an exclamation mark. You feel the emotion when you read them. How lovely. Hurrah! We have won the match, or what a terrible night it is. And let's do a quick recap. Remember, a sentence is simply a group of words that makes complete sense. We covered 5 main types today. 1. Assertive sentences. They give us information, either positive or negative. 2. Interrogative sentences. These are our question askers, always ending with a question mark. 3. Imperative sentences. We use these for orders, advice, or request. Remember, the subject you is hidden. 4. Optative sentences, blessing, sings, and prayers, often using the word may. They show sudden, strong emotions and always carry an exclamation mark. Master these 5, and your English communication will be unstoppable. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.